Then, sir, I joined Speed. Sir, in Speed, I have seen the not the all the videos because my professional exam was coming up. So I didn't get time to see all the videos, but I did use the soft copy. That means the notes I read. And so the important things that we sir had marked in the notes, I went to them. Few GTs I gave them, and I solved a few QBank. And so test series, as you said, that before the exam, you at least last 10 days you should give consecutive tests. I really did that. It really helps in the last 10 days.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Priya Singh for scoring a topmost rank of 12 in MCA Surgical Oncology. Congratulations to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Now, can we know a brief background about yourself, where you started till date, what all you have done?
So I've done my MBBS from Medical College, Kolkata, and I've done my MS from Midnapur Medical College in West Bengal. So currently I'm serving my bond in West Bengal itself. So
Excellent.
it's 2 years, 2 months that I've missed serving my bond, and my MS completed last year in November, sir.
Excellent, excellent, great accomplishments. And why interest towards MCA Surgical Oncology for you?
So I started assisting a few cases towards the end of the MS in the third year, final year. So I developed a little bit inclination then itself. And then, so one day I asked my professor, "Sir, what should I take up?" So he suggested that you should take up surgical oncology. And I was just hearing that I really wanted to hear this actually. So I started preparing then itself. So, last April, since last April, so I have been preparing.
Excellent, excellent, great. Doctor, what was your preparation strategy? Can you share what helped you to get this rank?
So in April, I started with surgical oncology. So before that, I have been reading all the branches, but surgical oncology is something that I did stick from April, and then so I started with reading the books first, Bailey and Saviston, and then sir I joined Speed. So in Speed, I have seen the not the all the videos because my professional exam was coming up. So I didn't get time to see all the videos, but I did use the soft copy. That means the notes I read. And so the important things that we sir had marked in the notes, I went to them. I gave a few GTs, so I gave them, and I solved a few QBank. And so test series, as you said, that before the exam, you at least last 10 days you should give consecutive tests. I really did that. It really helps in the last 10 days.
Great, excellent. How many questions were you able to attend this exam?
So I attempted 78 questions.
Excellent, excellent. Now, what is the message that you want to give for the future aspirants of MCA Surgical Oncology?
So that whichever platform you're using, you should stick to that. And from top to bottom, you should read everything that is given in that particular app. And whatever is yours, it's going to come. So don't worry. You will have it. It is yours. It will come to you. So don't worry about it. That's what I was saying.
Great. Time to thank, and whom all you used to thank. They helped your career from day one till date. You can use the platform to thank everybody.
I want to thank God first. I mean, I, He has always been there. So taking all the distance for me. So thank Lord Hanuman from the bottom of my heart, and my mother, my late mother. Her blessings are always there with me. My father, my sisters, they have been a support. So the app Speed, you. I mean, I have watched all the videos that you have done in the YouTube, as well as the toppers. I mean, they're on the other platforms also. I've seen them, and it has really helped me in their preparation. So I want to thank them all, and my professors also in MS. They have really encouraged me for this, and my friends.
Great, wonderful, doctor. I'm very, very happy for you.
Thank
And
you.
I wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and amazing and a wonderful career in MCA Surgical Oncology for you. Best wishes for you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.